This business consulting agency have no websites. They don't have complete booking system. They don't have follow-up system. And even they don't have pipelines, chatbot and stages. They book appointments with leadsflex. We jump with them on a call and we give them suggestions. They move whole business in high level, and we build them for whole system, like automatically reply, complete email system, complete SMS system, send follow-ups, complete booking system with automatically follow-ups, chatbot, pipeline, stages, and amazing websites as well. So let me dive in video. First of all, I will show you websites, pipeline, stages, automations, missed call text back, and also I will show you some chatbot automations as well. First of all, I will show you website for this agency we have built in GoHighLevel. You can see we have amazing websites with amazing animations and amazing designs, color schemes. And similarly, we have all other pages like about us page, services page. I just go through a short overview. And here you can see, here we go. And also we have service page where we have all our services. And similarly, we have contact us, privacy and terms and condition, and specially dedicated booking page as well, in which we have our calendar, and also we have our detail about bookings. So it looks amazing. Full website, full agency website with all automation system. And in this, I will show you a pipeline that we made for clients, like marketing pipeline. In marketing pipelines, we have all these different stages: new lead, hard lead, new booking, visited, attend, sales, not sales, review left, or whatever the stages are. And these are just for different pipelines. So we just build these marketing pipelines, and also we build just strategy call pipelines. When someone book a call with you, and we have these complete pipelines. And now I can show you complete automations. What happen if someone book appointments? What happen if someone book a call with you? So these things all happen. So for example, someone book a call with you, what happened on a backend? I will show you step by step. So here you can see in automations, when someone book appointments, we will add tags, we will put condition if there is a reschedule appointment, if there is a new appointment. Based on this, for example, it's a new appointment, we will send internal notification to admins, and we will add into opportunities, and we will send confirmation emails. Then we will wait 24 hours, then we will send reminders, and then we will wait 1 hour before the meeting, we will send reminders. Then 5 minutes before the meeting, we will send reminders, emails, SMS, all things. And similarly, we submit their A2P for SMS, and their other, like if someone cancel the meetings, we can run this automation. If they no show, we will run these automations. And also here we have some booking flows that already I show you with different calendars. And here we have chatbot. When someone book appointments, what happens? And when someone start communicating with them, what happen? I will show you how it's look on a chatbot. It's live. I will show you step by step. So we have complete summary, how many people communicate with chatbot, and where the new leads goes on a chatbot. So we have all those things here. We have follow-up system complete, where we can send them follow-ups for monthly, for weekly, for yearly. It's depend on client requirement, but it's a full system for SaaS business. So we already built this system. When form submit, what happen on a backend? Here is a complete system. If the customer reply, what happen? And if the customer not reply, what happen? If someone submit a form and they don't reply after that, so we have we will reach them and we will send them follow-ups as well. And here we have Pabbly integrations to automatically creating sub accounts. And here we have new funnels form submissions if you have another funnels. And then we have marketing workflow. In marketing workflow, we have all these necessaries workflow. And now I can show you main workflow, that's called miss call text back. Someone miss call on your number, it will be automatically text back. and that's how you can convert more leads and more things. Here is onboard automations. Here you can set up your onboarding automations for your onboard system. So that's how we automate a business agency with high levels. If you want any system and you have business like SaaS agencies, or you're a freelancer, you're a digital marketing agency, we will fully automate your whole system. Thank you so much for watching this case study.